painful as it was against these girls, the defending champions, Jem Ferrer said she looks at it differently. With my conversation with Jem, she says, other than saying that it happened twice and it's like a monkey off their back, it's a monkey on their back, she sees it as we're almost there.
Which is true.
Konti na lang.
Ito na especially on the first game. Pati sa third set, lumamang na sila It's not really trying to finish it. And I think that's the way to go If you want to finish it, if you were Ateneo, you finish it early. Diba? Ganda maaari.
Sabi nga namin ni Ian nung game number 1, Mosey, konting silip lang ang kailangan ng Lasal para humabol at kayang-kaya nila. At yun na nga ang nangyari. But game 1, as Jem said also, is over and done with. Alam naman natin, kasabihan natin Mosey sa volleyball kailangan mabilis ka makalimot sa volleyball. At kailangan makalimutan mo na yung nangyari nung game number 1.
Kasi bilis ng rally point system.
Correct.
Kailangan ganyan.
And 2 straight points for the defending champs, the co-MVPs, Ara Galang, Abby Maraño, together with Michelle Gumabal on the front line, and Mika Esperanza, the starter. The trick that Coach Roger did at the start, which caught Coach Ramil and the rest of the girls by surprise, was transforming Eliza Valdez as the middle hitter. Your take, Mosey?
Well, that's also great. In fact, it really worked for them because Eliza is such a good player that she can play middle and be an open hitter as well.
Correct.
But again, the adjustment was made by Coach Ramil in the end. So dapat may counter adjustment rin yan from Coach Roger. Ganun talaga, it's the finals. You have to be quick.
Selena Dagdag returns for this report. Go ahead, Selena.
In the huddle that just occurred, it is pretty apparent that the Lady Eagles are tremendously grateful for the continued close support that they are getting from the entire community. Kaya naman halatang halata that they want to put up a good fight for the love of their supporters. Sa huddle kanina, hindi lang si Coach Roger ang nag-encourage sa team niya, kung hindi pati na rin ang veterans tulad nila Jem Ferrer, Gretchen Ho, and Ziher Basso. Most of Coach's last-minute reminders has more to do with the psychological state of the game rather than the physical. Diyan ni Coach, 10% physical lang ang laro. Mag-focus kayo at pumasok kayo sa laban na tama ang mental conditioning niyo. Buman Mosey?
Well, nasabi ko nga, pag dumating ka na sa puntong ito, lahat na ituro na,
correct,
lahat natutunan mo na, patibayan na lang talaga, mentally, and that's what separates one from the other.
That's right.
Right now, the score, Mosey, is 4-1.
And, you know, knowing Coach Roger, definitely he prepares his team. Multi-awarded coach siya, diba? So, definitely going to the championship, and he has been here so many times. And, yung preparation will be there. It's just that how the girls will respond to that preparation and if they're able to execute.
5-1 for LaSalle as we check in with Billy Capistrano.
Boom and Mosey, I can't even begin to tell you how excited and pumped up the girls are for today's game. Now, in study game, one of the finals, so rest assured, we will not see them commit the same mistakes again. They are coming into this game wiser and more prepared for whatever the Lady Eagles have up their sleeves. Now, according to Coach Ramil, what the girls need to do today is to execute the game plan well. They have to step up in terms of receiving the ball, have organized blocking, at kailangan masundan ng mabuti yung set plays ng Ateneo. The girls do feel some pressure, but it's the kind that makes them want to excel and push them beyond their limits.
Thank you very much, Billy. Both teams feeling a different kind of pressure, I bet. Very crucial, Mosey, in my opinion, correct me if I'm wrong, is the start of this game, this first set, and how this first set is going to turn out for Ateneo. Because if this turns ugly early for Ateneo, when I say ugly, of course I mean they start losing by, let's say, big
Yung
points.
wide margin.
Medyo may tama sa psyche, and that's where that monkey on your back comes into play.
That's right.
So right now, they have to stick close and keep it at an even fight as they are serving 4, serving 5 if they want to extend this to a game number 3. We are at the Mall of Asia Arena. No sports championship celebration yet in this arena, as I said in the pregame. Only the cheer dance competition, Mosey.
You're making me
cry.
cry.
Sorry.
Hindi. Statements mo
Sinasabi ko lang na that's how the Mall of Asia Arena is writing their own script in terms of sports and entertainment history. Cheer dance pa lang ang kokoronahan dito.
So may second ba today or will we have to wait?
Well, going with the theme of game number 1 kanina, FEU extending their own series to a game number 3. Remember, last Saturday, as Galang next this one, ganun-ganun na nangyari. NU down 2 sets, climb back, won that one. As Kim Fajardo makes the first appearance here.
Very early,
at 6-5. But the difference though in game number 1, compared to the rest of the elimination and semis, Mosey, was we saw Kim Fajardo and then magtatagal siya. Minsan na sa dulo na babalik si Mika or hindi na nga babalik. In game number 1, pinagpalit-palit talaga ni Coach Ramil. Naghahanap talaga.
Grabe. Hindi, pero yung luxury of having two excellent setters, I mean, napakahirap gawin yan. And credit Coach Ramil for doing so and the rest of the coaching staff.
Aragalang, the co-MVP on her second year. Rookie of the Year last year.
Bilis naman.
Meron pa bang award na pwedeng kunin? I did mention nung semifinals that Aragalang, of all the 6 categories that we usually measure, isa lang ang hindi siya nandun sa top 10, and that was setting.
Imagine that. So well-deserved award for Aragalang too, and of course Abby Maranyo has been, alam mo, maganda kay Abby this year. She has been really so stable. Yung numbers are almost the same each and every game. They may not be great big numbers, but game in and day out, it will be almost the same numbers for her.
I'll tell you something about Abby too as we look at this play first. And Ateneo is tied here at 7-all. They climb back and get the lead 7-6. That power tip of Alyssa Valdez doesn't work. You know, Michelle Gumapo got the best player award. Aragalang, incredible in game number 1. Mika Reyes had her moments. Wench Chu and Sid Domicilio had their moments in the 5th set. But to me, Abby Maranyo in the middle of that 3rd set where they were down 6 points and she was acting like they were up, pumping her chest and rallying the girls. That's what turned it around for the defending champions. Let's come back after this technical timeout. Arena for game number 2 of the best of 3 finals. So game number 1, Mosey, there were tons of requests after we had Cara Acevedo and Steph Mercado. Tons of requests for different other players. At napaunlakan tayo ng
thank you.
Superstar ng Lasal. Cha Cruz is with us here at the panel. And look at the applause for Cha Cruz because she's being shown here.
Yan yung mga nag-request, diba? Tons and tons of requests.
I'm not exaggerating. Unang-una, Cha, kamusta ka? And thanks for joining us. Kamusta ka?
I'm good. Busy pa din sa work and sa masters.
What do you think about what happened sa volleyball this year? It was already big when you were in the finals last year with Ateneo, pero ngayon naglalaro tayo sa Araneta, sa Mall of Asia.
Sobrang ganda ng improvement and yung kinalabasan ng volleyball media ngayon. Ganda ng exposure nila. So, I'm very happy for them.
Cha, what were your thoughts on that game number 1 win ng team mo? Nagulat ka ba or inaasahan mo yun?
Hindi ko inaasahan, especially na magkaroon ng 5 sets. Pero, I'm proud and very confident for them na makukuha nila yung game 1. And hopefully, syempre, game 2.
So, wala kang duda dun sa game
very
number
confident
1.
for them.
Okay. Cha Cruz joining myself and Mosey Ravena here. LaSalle has kind of recovered here. 10-7 is our score. As Wench Chu gets another point.
Went to the proper area. Look at this. It's the right place, actually. Look at this spike.
And after that, let's listen to Coach Roger Goreev on the other side.
Ang dami na doon masyadong tayo sa depensa natin doon, no? Lahat nandun nakakarga sa iyo yung bola, eh. Pag hinayaan mong pumatayan doon sa lugar mo, hindi yan pabalik. Hanggat hindi mo inayaakon yan, doon talaga ibibigay ang bola. Huwag niyo sabayan si Mika. Alam yung malaki. Bakit sinasabayan mo na? Di ibabawan. Taluin niyo yung palo. Pilihan mo. Yan na. Ano pa yung hinihintay mo?
11-7 is our score. Famous LaSalle alumnus Gary V.
In the house.
Vice ganda.
Oh.
A lot of superstars in attendance in different fields, and of course, superstar in her own right, Cha Cruz, with us. When you watch this right now in the finals, alam ko, naglaro ka 5 taon din yun siya. Nakarami-rami ka rin ng finals, may MVP and all that, the championships. Pero meron pa bang konting inggit kahit pa paano nakikita mo yung...
Kung ako nga naiingit si Chapa.
Parang feeling ko I had enough. Okay na ako doon. Pero
Buti pa si Cha.
kahit ang masasabi ko lang is mas nakakakaba manood than playing. Yes. For me,
But you know, Cha, kayo, yung mga players before you, you
Yes.
started this. You
Yes.
were a part of this. Kaya nangyari to because of the fans, because of the players, like yourself. Kaya, thank you sa inyo. At talagang naglaro din kayong ng maganda, di ba? You uplifted volleyball to where it is now.
Correct. We always say all of this year that has happened is because of the
people
work.
here, the people watching it on TV.
And all the other players in the past who have played even before Cha.
That's right.
Wedge 2 again. The score is 12-8. Lamang po ang defending champions. De Jesus finishes that play.
And De Jesus, again, that's her forte. I think that's why she sent to the game. She's part of the starters. Kasi ito yung ginagawa niya. She's really trying to find a way to score the point. Even if sinasabi nga na iba, medyo maliit si Ella against the very tall LaSalle blockers.
Yes.
But she finds a way to get the points.
Siya, tinanong ko to kay Paneng nung game number 1. What is it about Coach Ramil De Jesus? Bakit napaka-effective niya? Not only as a
Anong magic?
not only as a talent evaluator, but also as a coach, lalo na pag-adjustments na pinag-uusapan.
Siyempre, una na yung tiyaga, patience for us. Kasi siguro yung iba sa amin hindi naman talaga athletic at first. So, kaya niyang tumingin ng potential. And kahit din naman, kasi there are years na wala kami mga recruits. So, feeling ko, okay din kay coach, yung he makes use of what he has. So, ginagamit niya talaga, minamaximize niya kung ano yung meron siya.
Sige, pakinggan natin si coach.
Lagyan ng variation ng kalaban yan eh. Pagka-progressive, kung kukumbinasyon, makuha tayo ng double. Kuha ko na tayo sa dalawang side, ha? Pag nakita yung kamay, tatapon kalabas, dinadrop. Kaya huwag tayo makapagkita kagad ng kami sa loob, okay? Dito.
Ang ganda na sinabi ni Cha. Sabi niya, he makes use of what he has. Pero ang counter ko doon,
He has a lot.
as you see Rico Meyer offer T.Y. Tang, former LaSalle basketball players, right behind us. Ang daming weapon ng LaSalle this year. Like, you guys can form 2 teams right now with that talent.
Ang question ko kay Cha, pag wala ba sa camera si Coach Ramil, tas mabilis mo siya magsalita?
Sa labas, para siyang tatay for
Sabi nga daw.
Yes, true. Totoo yan.
Sabi
Actually,
nga-
mas mabagal siya tsaka malambing siya magsalita.
Pero pagdating sa court and training, strict talaga.
Sabi nga ni Abby, nakwento niya sa akin, na ano daw yan, talagang he looks out for everything about the player, not just yung volleyball, ano?
Yes.
That's why it's a successful program for Coach Ramil, and he has been doing it for the last, 15 years with a more than 50% batting average.
Oo
diba?
nga.
So, grabe.
794 is his
Yes.
winning percentage. .794 as we see Mika Reyes now 13 serving 11. Combination play.
Works well for Ateneo.
For those who just tuned in, Cha Cruz with us as we look at the Fudgy Bar O-Bar sa Saya dito po sa Mall of Asia Arena. Cha, nagkakwentuhan tayo last year bago yung finals. Naalala mo?
A year ago.
Exactly a year ago. Around this time, sinabi mo you really wanted to take a break from volleyball, ano? Parang you told me that physically you were kumbaga battered. Not in a bad way, pero pagod lang talaga. Ganun ba? Is it the training? Or is it because all of those years, lagi kayo nasa finals?
Actually, for us, bonus na lang talaga yung finals Pero, syempre, nakakapagod yung all year round training. Hindi lang naman kami nag-training pag
School pa.
malapit na yung season. Yes, may school pa kami. So, marami rin student-athlete talaga.
Trisem pa.
Trisem pa.
Correct.
Yes.
When you talk about work, what are you doing right now in terms of work? I know you wanted to teach, di ba?
Yes.
Sabi mo, yeah.
I'm currently teaching right now.
There you go.
For special children.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Yes, in international school po.
Kaya naman pala hindi naman niya namimiss.
Oo,
ang
masaya naman pala yung work niya.
Because, you know, very fulfilling. As Chu hits the antenna there, so that means Ateneo goes ahead 14-13, and Sid Demecilio is getting ready to come back in, or actually, for a first time appearance here for Wench Chu. Is there any difference, sorry Mosey, matanong ko lang si Cha, is there any difference from what you see dun sa team ngayon from last year's team?
Every year naman kasi different eh. Pero siguro, feeling ko okay din talaga yung bonding nila ngayon. Especially kasi yung, kung nandun pa ako, medyo mahaba yung age gap ng age ko and yung susunod na. But for now, siguro mas close din sila and mas malalit yung age gap. I think.
Oh, tama nga naman kasi on the second year, almost all,
Sila
most of
Mika,
them.
sila Ara, that's right.
Yeah.
Great block, great wall provided by Demecilio and the co-MVP, Abby Maraño. 15-14. Meron ka bang gustong sabihin sa millions of fans, Cha Cruz, before we let you go into the technical timeout?
Yes, before ko batiin yung fans and all the supporters of Lasal, I just want to greet my mom who's watching right now. Hi, Ma, from Jersey. And hi, Wednesday Sachi and Kasaya. And hi also to Papa. See you soon. And for all those fans out there and for all those who support Lasal, thank you very much. And I'm ready to shout again for them.
Oo, alam ko.
Yung students po.
Hi, Kate. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.
Pababayaan ka na namin to cheer for your school. We appreciate the time, Cha Cruz.
Yes,
Good
thank
luck
you
and
very
God bless
much.
to you. Cha Cruz joining us here. We'll be back after this timeout. Magbabalik po ang game number 2 ng ating UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Lasal, abante ng dalawa, 16-14. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng nanonood. Saan man sulok ng Pilipinas, saan man sulok ng mundo, at saan man sulok ng Mall of Asia. Halina kayo, nakasiksik. 17,268 on a Wednesday afternoon.
Oh my goodness.
Andun si Coach Chot Reyes nasa taas, nasa may one of the suites up there.
Oh.
As of 5 p.m., yan ang
Hi,
ating
Coach.
crowd that we will keep you posted on that. Coach Chot Reyes, of course, he has a couple of students, he said, Jem Ferrer and Aina Kachi. And he doesn't want them to play their last game. Right now, they're down 3, 14-17. Pasalamatan muli natin yung si Cha Cruz. Alam mo, dami talagang nag-tweet na nag-request para sa kanya. At sinubukan naman natin at pumayag naman siya. Talagang kahit na ayaw niyong paalisin si Cha dito sa panel, gusto rin
Huwag
naman...
kayong mag-alala.
Oo, nandyan lang naman siya, pero gusto rin naman niyang mag-enjoy ng laro na...
Yun nga sabi niya, she wants to shout na daw.
Oo.
And cheer for Lasal.
It's always good to see former superstars who contributed to this surge in terms of the popularity. Not only the current players, but the past players who have paved the way for the current Volleybells, as they are called. It's still a 2-point lead. Tumabaw, tipping it over. Jem with the underhand set. Phil, check. Buhay pa yan. But on the third touch, it goes to the net, and Lasal again up by 3.
Well, at least this is still a close match. Diba? Hindi pa naman to over. And it's just in the middle portion. So Ateneo, they just have to, again, play as a team. Kailangan lang tama si Coach Roger yung kanilang reception as, right on cue. And yun ang kailangan nila i-improve because, again, ang dami kasi talagang arsenal nitong De La Salle.
Yes, yes.
And they have to be prepared for that if they want to execute their offense as well.
Good job by Ferrer finding almost a donut hole there. And the defense gets the point. 16 will be serving 18. I was talking about Abby Maraño kanina. No? We captured it on screen how she was pumping her teammates. You know, they were down 6 in the third set, 3-9. Down 5, 8-13. When they just came back and there you go, the best.
That's the yun ba yung sinasabi mo, just like that?
And they were down.
Uh-huh.
Here's the thing that I admire about this two-time MVP na is she acts the same whether you're down or up. And I talked to her about it, she says, I have to rub it off other teammates na nakikita nila, yung kapitan nila, hindi bumibigay.
And that's what an MVP is made of.
Yeah.
Ganun naman
And a
talaga,
captain,
the right
too.
attitude, diba?
That's out, so it's an Ateneo point. The best blocker of the league also is Abby Maranyo, and I was telling the story, game number 1, Mosey, that it's coincidence for her, and probably ironic because her introduction to volleyball at grade 4 was she blocked a male player. So since then, parang ginamit na siya laging blocker kasi matangkad daw siya. At minaster daw niya yung skill set of blocking as LaSalle is in the lead here by 3.
And plus, you have to credit really the coaching staff of De La Salle for having this kind of players. Kasi pag nakita mo yung LaSalle, both in defense and in offense, halos same level eh.
You're right.
Diba?
Valdez very disappointed that she was not able to put that away. She's complaining to the referee that LaSalle stepped over. It's a 4-point lead as Kim Fajardo, this girl, going to be a superstar too for LaSalle. Let's listen to Coach Roger.
Yan mo yung mga tao. Yan, kung bibigyan mo ng quick si Alyssa, huwag mong ibaba. Itaas mo. Mababa, hindi mapapalo. Mahirapan tayong umupensa. Nakita niyo si Phil, huwag kayo sumiksik. Ilang beses ko na sinabi sa inyo, huwag kayong sisiksik sa gitna. Phil, nandun ka sa kabila ron eh. Ninanakawan mo na ng pwesto tapos lumalaki masyado doon sa kabilang dulo. Ha? Tara, blakin niyo. Ituro niyo yung... Turo niyo yung...
Abate ko ng 4. Celine Hernandez, Baneng Mercado, who joined us in game number 1, Bacon, Austria, has been a regular.
Oh, supporter of the Ateneo Lady Eagles.
And repeat, the 3-peat is the theme for the defending champions. Ateneo standing in their way. Now, we know Eliza, the best scorer in the league officially. Mosey is a multifaceted player, an incredible player, great digger, great receiver, great server, a great attacker. Now, they put her in the middle, which is not news. They've done that before, even against National University. They have experimented on Eliza in the middle. But we all know that she is most dangerous when she's an open attacker.
That is right, boom. But also, LaSalle knows that too. Diba? So, kung nasa open siya, normally, the focus of the blocking of the opponent, any opponent for that matter, is on Eliza at the open hit. Pero, nakita na rin naman ng LaSalle that in the first game, ito yung surprise ni Coach Roger. So, it's not a surprise anymore in this second game.
Marge Tejada, by the way, making an appearance here in the finals, the rookie. Unable to stop Aragalang there, who are 2 points away from taking set number 1.
Well, in the last time out, Coach Roger reminded them about their area of responsibility kasi nasa wrong position sila in offense. And kaya yung defense, nabubutasan talaga.
I wonder how Marge is feeling as Ferrer is unable to put it away. You have to give that point to Melissa Gohing, who, by the way, her game number 1 performance is probably ranking up there as one of the best that she's ever had in her 5-year career. What a gutsy player. Liz Gohing, by the way, also playing out her career now if they win today, as Liza Valdez able to get that point on a combination play.
Well, I will really expect Gohing to go all out also, especially that she's graduating. But remember, she has been in this situation for quite a while now.
She doesn't get the Best Libero Award anymore in the last couple of years because the others have really stepped up their game, but that doesn't mean
she's not effective.
Correct. And speaking of effective, on the open attack, Eliza Valdez, very effective there, trying to stymie LaSalle here in set number 1. And Coach Ramil will call a timeout. Let's listen to the 7-time champion coach.
Okay, magmadali. Nakapwesto tayo eh. Pag nasa likod, hindi pensa tayo. Hindi pwedeng yung dadating sa atin, ihakid natin na kahit hindi nakapwesto. Pwestuhan. Sigurado kung sino yung maghahatid ng bola sa kaya. Bago natin iyasa sa kasama natin. Nakapwesto tayo, akuin na
also will wave goodbye to the UAP. That's her wave. She's saying goodbye already.
Ng konti.
Sorry,
Diba? Na-affected
Sorry,
tayo.
Mosey. Just trying to make it a little more poetic for
But
them.
it's, you know, these girls also appreciate, kahit hindi sila yung nandito sa
Yes,
finals,
yes.
they would watch the game.
Kita nga natin yung mga UST players ng Game 1 at saka yung mga taga-NU as Valdez here again stymied. They go back to her on the open. And like I said, you can mix up what she does, but she is on top of the game when she is an open attacker. Not to say that you shouldn't mix it up, but her strength really is there. Dun siya nakakadingdig, dun siya nakakapatong sa bola.
Parang what you're trying to say is she will find a way,
Yes.
diba? How to manage to get those points on that area, on that open hit.
Wenchu is rejected. Maranyo able to keep it up. And a free ball for Ateneo here. What are they going to do? Why not go to the best scorer of the league?
And again, from the open hit, it's actually a different open hit. Why?
Yes,
It's shorter.
correct.
Lower yung set.
Which is how you have to attack
Yes,
Lasal. Faster.
correct.
That's an excellent point, Mosey. And what they're doing now is delaying. And maybe making a run here. Oh, a free ball on Kim Fajardo's trickery. Maranyo was there. Fajardo. Chu. Chance for Ateneo to come closer. Valdez again. Galang gets it.
Liza Valdez, 3 straight points from her. That's why now Ateneo only down by 1. But Lasal needing only 1 point to take the set.
We did not see that in game number 1 na patuloy silang pumunta sa open. They tried her at middle, yes. And I'd say mix it up. Because Sharini, she looks just more comfortable. Mosey. And now, Ateneo again. Back to Eliza. Galang sends it back. Regalo. And Marge Tejada unable to put it away. So Lasal prevents a comeback here in set number 1. But Ateneo climbs back and shows a little fight. And that's a good sign for them, Mosey. 25-23. De La Salle is a step away from claiming their third three-peat.